the coefficient at 3 in the expansion of this is what? So number 62. So ask x3 coefficient in 1 plus x to the cube, 1, 2 plus x, 2 to the 10. Okay, so this can be expanded, and then this use a binomial coefficient. So basically the first term is 2 to the 10th, and the second term is 10. What I'm writing about? So let's see, 10, take 1 as 10, choose 1, and 2 to the 9 x squared, and the plus c to the second 2 to the x to the fourth, and then we take the x3 power. So since this is all the x power is odd, is even, so there's no way that one multiple any x power will be the cube. So but 3x there is a one term like this term. So we have 3 times 10 to the 10, choose 1, 2 to the 9 x cubed, plus this one x squared, there's no any term which can multiply x squared to be the x cubed, and the last term is this term. So we have 2 to the 10th power to x cubed. So the total coefficient is 2 to the 10 times 30, 2 to the 9, x to the cube. And this can be simplified as 2 to the 9, 2 plus 30, x cubed. So 2 to the 9 is 32, x cubed. So it's 2 to the 14. Or this is 2 to the 5th power to the x cubed. So the answer is A. The answer is A. Okay, yeah. The answer is A.